Brats, the day has finally arrived. We are giving away 5 of our custom JaybrattVR Asterion Aura stands today. We're going to be using a different comment picker this time. I'm using pickawinner.co because it doesn't have a bunch of ads all up in your face when you're doing it. So I'm excited. If you need one, I actually recommend this over the one I usually use. So we've got our YouTube link in here. I've put in the comment picker word of giveaway to find it. So let's get some winners. We're giving away 5 of these, like I said before, internationally. These are going to be going all over the place. So the way this works is I'm going to have your names in the winners here. I'm going to try and contact each of you through your original comments one time, and then you've got till the end of the month to contact me. So if you're a winner, contact me this month. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Discord. Contact me and I'll make sure these get to you. If a whole month goes by and I haven't heard from you though, then I'll end up drawing new names and giving those away. And then I do have some more, so stick around. I might give away another 1 or 2 on the channel, and I'm going to give away at least 1 on the Discord. So if you haven't joined the Discord, join in the description down below if you want to get in on that one. There'll be 1 more going out there, but let's pick us some winners here. So first one, ready? Chris. Just Chris with the fish, it looks like. First winner right there. All right, so at this point, I'm going to close this out. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to refresh the page. All right, number 2. Who's going to get it? All right, going to Canada for this one, Mr. Ickmail. Let's go for it. Awesome. All right, winner number 3. Hey, MH Krypton in England. Awesome. You never want to go, well, hey, it changes this time. Krypton, you're getting one of these awesome stands. Let's go. All right, 4th stand. Who's getting it? Crusher Fire, buddy. Hey, I'm glad to see that's going. You're glad to see the quality channels increasing. Hey, thank you so much, buddy. Well, congrats. Your quality of your VR life's about to go up because you're going to get an awesome VR stand. We got 1 left to give away. Number 5, 5th winner. Here we go. Deck 12 Ireland. Awesome. Hey buddy, Deck. You're getting a stand. We're gonna be sending, it looks like 2 of these are going to Europe and the rest of them are staying at least in North America. So thank you so much everyone who participated. We're gonna see how many we have left after the Discord giveaway, and like I said, there might be another one here on YouTube. If not, I've got a ton of VR accessories I need to start getting rid of because they're just piling up again. So hang out for more giveaways, hang out for more VR content. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Congratulations, winners. If you see this before I've messaged you on your comment, go ahead and feel free to hit me up. I will have to take it through a step of verification just so nobody gets scammed and nobody steals your stand. But yeah, feel free to hit me up on any of those. You know what it is. I will see you in another reality.
I want to say the biggest thank you to those of you who have become channel members and any of you who have ever been patrons of ours.